Here we divide 306 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 0. So now it became 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down the number beside this 6 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 0. So 306 divided by 2 is 153. So this much for today and thanks for watching.